Hi guys, welcome back to the NZ Day Trading 101 channel. I'm Shami and today I'm just going to be talking about something a little bit different to NZ stocks and this altcoin, so stay tuned. So today I'm just going to talk about a particular altcoin that I saw today, and the way I spotted it was off a Discord chat. So on the Discord chat, what happened was Discord chat has around about over 100k followers. And on that chat, there's particular people that say that we're going to be buying a certain coin at 9 p.m. GMT. So basically what they meant was the person will start to get people on board and say that, hey look, stay ready at 9 p.m. GMT. I'm going to give you a ticker and this is the coin we want you to promote. So what that particular person wanted was they want the followers to promote as much as they can on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere they can, just to get it out there. So the more hashtags of this particular coin, the more visibility it has online, and for more people to get onto it, and they'll be like, okay, this is trending, this is going to go higher, and it'll also be on the Binance top gainers. So they wanted to gain as much exposure to it as possible. So I'm just going to show you now what coin I'm talking about. So the coin today was PNT. So as you can see on the image there, you can see the Discord chat, and they're just talking about PNT going to be the next coin they're going to pump. So what we have here is we have a 1 minute chart. So all the action actually happened in 2 minutes. It's that fast. So if you're trying to trade it even like on the 50-minute chart or the 5-minute chart, then you probably would have got wrecked straight away. So let's analyze this chart a little bit. So this is the chart here. So as I said, 9 p.m. GMT, so here is actually NZ time. So 9 p.m. GMT is equivalent to 10 a.m. NZ time because I'm based in New Zealand. So here we saw in the first 5 minutes that the stock climbed from 15 on like nanocents, 1575, and it climbed all the way as high as around about 1,170%. So if you guys are in on this trade at the bottom, then you guys would have made a shit ton of money. So looking at something like this, you would have made over 1,000% return. And the funny thing is 1,000% return in just 1 minute. So there's enough volume there, you could even stick a lot of size behind it and you could have made a substantial gain. So going back to the chart, this is the 5-minute chart and we're just going to go to the 1 minute chart. So all the action happened in 1 minute. So people that were alerted on the Discord chat, they started to promote the coin. So the coin was PNT. So PNT was probably trending. It was on the Binance top gainers because when a coin gets over like a 200 or 500%, then it starts to get onto the Binance top gainers. And when that happens, then people start to catch on. They start to look for bullish technical analysis patterns, or people start to look for shorting opportunities. So I just want to show you who made the real money in this case, and if we saw something happen like this, then how we would take advantage as small retail traders. So the people that would have made the most money in this sort of case would be the people that bought beforehand. So I'll just go to this 1 minute chart. So the people that bought the day before, they would have bought, I'll just get on the daily. Alrighty. So the people that would have made the real money in this case would have been the following. So basically the people that invested before the coin was announced to the community. So the people that invested a couple of days before. And you know that happened because you could see the increase in volume down the bottom. So they would have been the first ones. So what they would have done is they would have started selling like about here. They would have scaled down and sold about here. And then the rest they wouldn't have mattered about because they already made so much money over here. So basically if they invested a day before, then they would have made about 500–700%. So perfect for them. So great opportunity for them. They got a bunch of Discord members. They managed to pump this thing up and they managed to make some real gains. So let's look at the second lot of people that would make a lot of gains off something like this. So the people that shorted. So the people that shorted here. So if we went on to the 1 minute graph. So the people would have saw the substantial price movement. So again, the people that did the day before, these guys would have made the money. And then the second lot of people was the people that shorted. So the people that shorted, they would have shorted a whole bunch of stock at the top there, and they just would have bought back gradually just as the stock's kind of just going down. So That's too lot of people. So the biggest question on your mind is, how can we make money? You know, like, we're amateurs, we don't know how to short properly, we can't short huge positions, and we don't even know that a particular altcoin is going to pump or not. So how would we make money? I'm going to show you probably the only way, probably not the only way, like a good way that we can make fast money or something like this is the following. And this is how we as retail traders is probably the only way that we can, you know, make money, and that's like this. So basically 1 minute move. So the only way we can make money is by scalping in the middle here. And what I mean by that is, if you can quickly, in that 1 minute, if you can quickly catch a position in there, even 100, 200 bucks, and you can quickly get out, then that's the best way to do it. So one of the drawbacks is, like with Binance and stuff, you have to type in your coin super fast. You have to be like, all right, 0. Blah, 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 sell 100%, you know, at lower price. So if you quickly were able to, as soon as you knew that this one of these pumps are happening, if you're able to just get in like at anywhere here and just quickly just put any, like, just put like a, you know, any sort of price up there that you think it's going to go to, then you can easily make like 70% return. So that's a quick way to make money, but you have to be quick, because as you saw, all this action happened in 2 minutes. 2 minutes is a very short period of time. It's super extremely fast. So here, like, you know, if you invested any later, so if you invested in the second minute of the candle up here, then your price never came back to that point, and you would have been like down about, you know, throughout the day, you would just keep going down about 80%. So you lost 80% of your value if you're trying to invest in the third minute. So these pump and dump schemes, the only way you're going to make money as a retail trader is simply by scalping these positions in between. So there's going to be many opportunities. There's going to be many pump and dump schemes happening like this. You saw it in GameStop. You saw it in like AMC, like that. Those are stocks, so they're completely different to coins. Coins, they're just stagnant things that as soon as they get enough volume and enough visibility around the world to say that, hey, look, you know, this coin is going up, then people are going to jump on. So all of a sudden, from something that has no volume at all to little, and it just pumps up like this, this is unnatural, and this is being pumped up, as you saw in the Discord chat. It's being pumped up by people. So you just got to be careful, guys. And this is why, like, I want to get into crypto trading, but I'm slowly getting into it. Trading the New Zealand stock market, it's safe. It moves slow, you know, there's continuation. And this sort of stuff, to find continuation, like, I hardly see, I'll just clear my drawings here. I hardly see any continuation in the altcoin market. It's so hard to find continuation. Like, what happens is it goes straight up like this, and then it will never kind of continue higher. It will always kind of go straight up, then it'll kind of just go down, then kind of consolidate, then kind of just, you know, form lower highs, and you kind of know that's kind of downtrending. So this is kind of what happens. So if you want to trade this stuff, try and scalp some gains in between, and that's probably my suggestion. So yeah, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll try and release more videos like this. You know, the crypto market, it interests me quite a bit, and you know, in the future I would love to be doing something like this, and which I will. But stay connected. Even if you can shove $1 in and out of the market just to get like a little bit of a feel for how crypto goes, then that's pretty good, because for me, I come from stocks, so going to crypto, it's a bit different for me, but I can see the potential in it. There's lots of technical patterns that work. You just got to pick the right one. So follow me on Instagram, I'm at Solo Day Trader. So if you guys have any questions or just want to have like a conversation about anything, just like flick me a message, and like this video. I appreciate it. You know, it helps the algorithm and stuff, and also subscribe if you can. I appreciate that too. So, all right, happy trading, guys.